Hello and welcome back to Fequiere Fitness TV. I am your host, Daniel Fequiere, health and fitness coach. And today, guys, using these resistance bands, we're going to be focused on some upper body workouts. That's right. If you're new to this channel, please comment below for workouts you want me to do next. Let's get started. Dance, dance, dance. Exercise 1, overhead tricep extensions. Attach the band around a post and grip the loop with each hand, your palms facing forward. Stand with your back to the post. Stagger your stance with your front foot 1 to 2 feet from the post. Keep your chest up, back straight. Position your arms so that your hands are at the back of your head. Push your hands forward until your arms are straight. Then return to starting position to complete 1 rep. Complete 40 reps. Exercise 2, band chest press. Attach a band around a post and grip the loop of the strap with each hand, your palms facing forward. Stand with your back to the post. Keep your chest up and back straight. Press your arms straight out in front of your chest and shoulders. Then return to starting position to complete 1 rep. Complete 40 reps. Exercise 3, band splitters. Hold resistance band in front of you at shoulder level with tension in it. Keeping your arms straight and at shoulder level, drive arms out laterally and back as far as possible. Return arms to starting position for 1 rep. Complete 40 reps. Exercise 4, hammer curls. Grab a resistance band, loop the band under your feet, and hold it in each hand with your palms facing each other. Without moving your upper arms, bend your elbows and curl the band towards your shoulders. Your palms should face each other the entire time. Return your arms to starting position for 1 rep. Complete 40 reps. Exercise 5, bent over row. Bend slightly at your knee and forward at your hips. Maintain a braced core and straight back throughout. Leading with your elbows, pull the resistance band towards your lower chest, bringing your shoulder blades together. Hold the contraction and slowly return arms to starting position for 1 rep. Complete 40 reps. Wow, guys, another tough resistance band workout. Your arms should feel fatigue. Hey, if you haven't already, please comment below for workouts you want me to do next. As well, for workout gear like the one I'm wearing, please check out my website at FequiereFitness.com. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give us a like and subscribe to the page. And you know how we finish, guys. Dance, 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 dance.